Do you know what maintenance failure matrices are? If not, don't worry, you're not alone. These critical metrics can seem complex, but they're essential for understanding and improving system reliability and efficiency. So buckle up as we delve into the world of maintenance failure matrices. First up, we have MTTF, which stands for mean time to failure. This is the average time a system or component can operate before it fails. You'll find this metric particularly useful when dealing with non-repairable systems. It provides valuable insight into the lifespan of a product, helping to predict when failure is likely to occur. Next, let's explore MTBF, or mean time between failures. Unlike MTTF, MTBF is used for systems that can be repaired. It calculates the average time between failures, including both the operating time and downtime. This metric helps you to understand the reliability and durability of repairable systems. Moving on, we have MTTD, which stands for mean time to detect. This is the average time it takes to detect a failure after it has occurred. It's a key metric for assessing how quickly issues are identified within a system. The quicker a failure is detected, the sooner it can be addressed, reducing potential downtime and improving overall efficiency. Last but not least, we have MTTR, or mean time to repair. This is the average time it takes to repair a system or component and return it to operational status. MTTR is a measure of maintenance efficiency. A shorter MTTR implies a more efficient maintenance process, which can significantly enhance a system's operational efficiency. So, to summarize, MTTF helps you predict when non-repairable systems are likely to fail. MTBF gives you insight into the reliability of repairable systems. MTTD assesses how quickly you can identify issues, and MTTR measures your efficiency in repairing and restoring operational status. By understanding and applying these maintenance failure matrices, you can significantly enhance your maintenance strategies, improving system reliability, reducing downtime, and increasing overall operational efficiency. So next time you're looking at maintenance metrics, remember these 4 key players: MTTF, MTBF, MTTD, and MTTR. They might just be the secret to your maintenance success.